Hey guys, I have something to show you. Come on. Hey, my friends. Today's escapade is going to be this rusty welcome sign with this bird on top. Well, it's not rusty, it's just faded. Look at it now. And then my handy creative husband will show you what it looks like after. Let's go see. There it is. When I bought it at the dollar store, it looked much better than this. And through the winters, it's faded. And cut kind of rusty as well. Right there. So, my husband's gonna bring it back to life, and I'm hoping he has orange in a spray can. My favorite color. Let's go see what he does. He doesn't like to be on video, so just see his hands. So this is how he's preparing. Testing out the different colors that he'll make the bird. And the welcome sign, I think it's going to be black. We'll see. Right now he's just shaking up the cans.
See ya.
Okay, there you go. He's taking this welcome part out so he can spray paint the rest. Okay, preparing. First thing he's doing is putting a matte black on the bird and on the thing that holds up the bird. Nice. That looks nice already. Does that have to dry before you put the rest? Yes. So that's like a primer. Hey, hon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are you doing with this, the welcome part?
Painting it silver
Okay,
and let it dry.
right.
It's a gloss aluminum color.
Gloss aluminum color.
Let that dry. And then I'm going to spray black over top and wipe it so you'll see the welcome letters.
So it'll stand out. Okay, sounds great. Do you want me to hold it? I guess I can. I don't want to get... Whoa, looks nice. And these are his tools. And the rest is his imagination and artistry, I think. Let's continue. Oh, he needs tools. So this part, the bird part, is already dried, right? Now he's going to start with the green. Oh, nice, the leaves. Beautiful. Doing the other side of the leaves. Okay, next. Well, what color is this?
This is yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, you know, actually the tail is going to be orange or red. I think red is better.
This is our custom bird, right?
Yeah.
The new species. Next color?
Red.
Red. Wow. And I was ready to throw this out. We're gonna have to start a business. Michael's Creations. What do you think?
Uh-oh.
Huh?
My cane just popped
Uh-oh.
up.
Run out of red?
That's enough red anyway.
Next color?
I'm just touching up the black.
Oh, okay. Where you got the yellow, is that?
Mm-hmm. Just touching up the yellow.
Touching up the yellow where you got the black? We'll have to do it inside the garage because of a little bit of wind outside.
I think I want to put a little red on his head. Oh yeah, my red doesn't work.
Orange head?
Guess it's gonna be orange.
Oh, my favorite color. I'm glad we ran out of red.
Don't step on that, maybe. It's got some stuff on it.
I guess next time when you really do this, like for real. I mean, this is real, but just quickly. Put them on the sawhorses maybe, eh, hun?
Yeah, this is just a quick...
Yeah, this is just a quick, so if this is quick, can you guys imagine what something really that he wants to do would look like? Imagination and creativity. I don't have it. He can see it. I can't see what it's going to look like. He can see through the rust. Yeah, so next time we do something, it'll be in a better setting, not in the garage. Mito like you said, so I don't have to get a card.
Huh?
Yeah. No prendamiento, no cover. Black for the beak.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Beautiful. Actually, I might take a ride and go see that butterfly that you did for our friend Josephine once. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Add this. I might add it to my video. We'll see. Stay tuned. Actually, I'll just take a picture of the butterfly. We have it on. Time for the welcome sign. What color now?
Gloss black.
Gloss black. I hope you don't get any of that out of your nice clothes, mister. It's a last minute thought, that's why. Not prepared. But in other words, paint clothes that you don't mind getting paint on. And hopefully these clothes don't get any paint on. Go ahead and spray the black.
It didn't work out like I wanted it.
Let me see.
That's okay.
How about if you put like orange on it, on the letters? What do you think? A little bit of orange?
Okay, get me the orange. Why'd you want an orange?
Yeah, just to pop out, and you know, my favorite color. But you don't have to. What would you
I don't know
suggest?
how it's gonna come out.
What would you suggest? Hmm.
1 second. Let this dry. Nope.
It didn't work. Sorry. I'm not creative. What would you have done? Do black again? Yep. Don't listen to me. Senora doesn't know anything about painting. Is that white?
Silver.
Oh. Not bad. Just can't make it pop. You would think the bird would be the hardest part. Thank God he had a lot of patience, but then he's married to me, so must have a lot of patience. See? Sure. Getting there. Yeah, hon?
Just trying to make the
Welcome stand
letters
out.
pop out a little bit. That's not bad.
Yep, looks better than before.
Just put a little Varsol on a rag.
Mm-hmm.
Let that.
You can't just put like fast orange on it?
No.
Okay. And you gotta try to get everything orange.
Okay.
Alright,
How's my bird?
let me check. What are you doing now?
Just gonna put a clear coat on it to seal it up from the weather,
Oh,
and it goes nice and
glossy?
clear and glossy and protective
From the...
for the rain.
Nice. And this winter I'm putting it inside, so I won't be resting. It'll last longer. Beautiful. Wow. Well, you have to shake it. That's how the spray paint gets...
Keeps it even,
The
so it
spray-
doesn't run.
Oh, okay. You and Pam should get together and create something. Before you put it away, we'll just hold it up and then I'll take a scan. Yep.
Here, I'll hold it right here. You can see it better.
Wow.
When it dries, we'll put the welcome back on it.
Yes. Oh, he needs some eyes.
Yeah, we're gonna do that after.
Oh, okay. Good job. Thank you, Michael. Here, we came outside the garage. And can you spin it? Yes. Wow. Beautiful. This could be a retirement gig. Artist canvas. Beautiful. We'll show you after what the finished bird and welcome sign look like. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned. There. All done. Almost dry. Actually, it is dry. Isn't that a beautiful job? It looks better than when I first bought it. Better than the original. Beautiful job, Michael. Thank you. Let's look around on the other side. See? Isn't it beautiful? What a nice job. What's next? What else that I said I was going to throw away? Wow. Don't throw away, people. Restore. But I can't restore. I have no creativity. Anyway, put my shadow in front. Looks nice. Too sunny out here. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I certainly did. He wasn't even prepared to do it. He just last minute. That's why he had still good clothes on. And hopefully no paint on it. Whatever. Till next time, thank you for watching. And please subscribe, like, and share.